Pooped on him.
On Anderson. Great.
Pooped on him. Ew. It's my dog too. Gross.
You're gonna have to wash him.
Ew.
Ew.
It's all slimy.
Gross.
Because he
It is
keeps
slimy.
moving.
Anderson, all he wants to do is eat what's inside there, not the chicken food. I mean, he wants to eat the food.
Probably.
Cooper went in there and found the food too yesterday.
Don't walk into that poop.
Well, maybe we'll call Dad over to clean that up.
What, Anderson?
Take Anderson and have Dad clean him.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Call him. Call
Come on,
him,
Anderson. Go get your poop cleaned up. Go
Gross.
see your brother.
Go. Go on. Come on, buddy. It's definitely not his brother.
Uncle. Go see Uncle Andrew.
Come here.
And he's like, but why? Cooper's like, see ya, sucker.
Come here.
Jeez. I can get them to come. They're just,
Can you bring my phone when you come out?
come on.
Oh. Oh gosh, come here.
Come on, peepers. They won't do it.
Eat it. Mm-hmm.
It's cute, this thing.
It's like, what's going on? Try the...
Just at Home Depot getting some supplies for our fences and shutters and gates for the chicken coop and for our house. We got these. Hopefully these will be cute for posts.
Yes, you better.
Just left Home Depot and we're gonna go home and start building this fence post, although I think tomorrow's irrigation, so that might be a problem because I don't have the berms built up yet. But I think we're gonna make a quick stop to eat at Cane's because I'm starving and I don't want to stop to have to cook something. So I got my little baby cheeps right in here. So Wayne and I made an executive decision. I think you're passing the drive-thru, babe. We made an executive decision to go ahead and stop and eat here. Some kind of a party going on over there. Anyways, my daughter's gonna be so jealous when she finds out that we went to Cane's because this is her favorite fast food place that she wastes all of her hard-earned money on all the time. We had irrigation last night, so it's just drying up over there, but it's pretty good here. So now we can dig the posts. What? I'm trying. You're out of it. So we're digging the holes for the posts for the chicken coop and for the garden, which is going to be over here. So that's what we're doing today. And Cooper keeps getting sick. I think he's eating a bunch of stuff out here. Hey, Coop. Hi. Oh, super duper. And the chickens are loving this weather and the irrigation because it's made all these weeds so soft. There's Wayne's new boots. Good times.
So annoying.
Cooper wants to play. I'm playing football at the new house. Oh, Andrew. That was caught on film. Let's see it, Andrew. Let's see it. That's good. That's a good one. What's Dad got? Oh, almost right in the pocket. Sunday fun day. And a little woodworking happening here. We're making shutters for the front of the house. And let's go in here. Hi, Anderson. Let's go in the house and look at my new cheeps. Look at these babies. Come here. Okay, and I'll take you out and I'll show you the big Cheeps. Hopefully this will load up to Facebook. It's getting to be a long video. Hang on, let me run. Where's my other Cheepers? What are you doing in there, Cheeps? Back to work we go. Making the shutters. We're painting it. We can go around to the front of the house and show you what they are going to look like. Let's go through the house. There's our door we're gonna do next weekend when Wayne Sr. comes over. He's gonna help us. Okay, front yard. There's the shutters. So there's shutters here and over here. But they, for some reason, didn't put them on over here. So we're building them and we'll put them on. Here's our front yard. We have this cute little circle driveway. Look at all these weeds. We get irrigation on Tuesday. After that, we'll weed and feed, and then we can get rid of all those things. Okay. There's all of our boxes. Oy. And this is the house. Isn't it cute? I love this fence. So cute. They have a cute house over there too. A little yellow farmhouse. But this is our home. And we've got to think of a name for this little farm we're gonna have. We can do, what was I thinking? Twin Pines Ranch maybe, because there's 2 big pine trees there. Or Erding Acres. I haven't decided. But in any event, this is my dream home. And I cannot believe we live in it. All I can do is thank God, because He's the reason we're here. And hard work. All right, signing off. We just got home from work and we are working on the house. This is going to be our life for a little while on the farm. Wayne's starting to put up our shutters. Super cute. Nice job, Wayne. Yay.
I'm not drilling into anything important.
Me too. When we first got here, I went ahead and planted some of my hollyhocks that I took from the old house that were little sproutlets. Anyways, I took those hollyhocks from the last house and hopefully they will grow, but that area of the yard doesn't get any sun. Like none. And I also planted another hibiscus in the middle that we had from the old house too. Hopefully that'll grow. This gum's getting old.
Getting it up there. Sucks.
You want help? Hopefully Anderson's not eating the birds back there, the chickens. I can help you.
Okay. I mean, it does help. Probably would help to have you like holding it.
Okay.
I'm fighting with it up there.
Way to go, travertine polishing. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Well, mostly what I normally need to do is just, hang around and tell me my ideas. I'm stupid. Okay, does that look about right?
Yeah. Looks good to me.
Okay, that's what I need to do. Just hold it up.
Okay.
As soon as I reach down and try to grab the drill, it wants to move.
Is that right? Or do you want me to let go?
Oh, I can move it with you holding it. We just both have to be holding it. Or it'll try to get away.
Wayne, that looks awesome! Hey, look what Dad did!
What'd you sell?
Oh, I gave away those boxes. So I just didn't want someone who was gonna sell them. What?
Where's my guitar?
I sold it.
Why?
Because you don't use it.
But it's mine, and I paid for it.
What is it?
It's gone.
What is it?
But I want the money, because
What is
I
it?
paid for that too.
Someday, they will look into the
Is it
camera and say,
Navy things?
this would not have been possible
What-
without that guitar donation.
Hey, what did Dad do?
He put the Navy things up.
What Navy things?
They're black.
Really? Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah, well, the name on the paint can's black.
It looks like Navy.
Maybe they marked it.
Kenzie's looking sexy.
Nothing's wrong with what I'm wearing. I'm wearing pajamas.
Is Colin coming?
Oh, he's coming over Friday. He's running errands with his mom.
Okay. Thank you, Andrew, for helping that lady.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, see?
Don't put that in mind if you're gonna make fun of me. Nothing's wrong with what I'm wearing.
This looks so cute.
I like it too.
Gosh, it finished it off perfectly, Wayne.
I didn't ruin anything.
You didn't.
Drilling into our house.
Oh my gosh, jeez.